Hello, this is Ben, and I'm going to show you how to convert a wheelbarrow from being a single wheel wheelbarrow to a double wheel. We all know a double wheel wheelbarrow is a lot easier to handle. It doesn't want to tilt side to side, especially if you have like a heavy load in it, if you're carrying dirt or rocks or concrete or something. So, and you can do this conversion without having to cut, or fabricate parts or make special parts. It's pretty simple. So here we are, converted. It had one wheel in between, so it's just a piece of threaded rod with some nylon locking bolts with some washers, washer on this side, and then just a piece of regular black pipe, and then just U-bolts that line up with the old holes. So like there's a piece of metal on here that's like bent to a special shape and it has a special diameter where it's bent to, allow you to bolt it down and then allow the shaft to go through. And you need a thicker shaft because it'll bend because of the displacement between the wheels. The whole thing will bend. And so you put this piece of pipe on here and it's thicker, but then the piece of pipe's too thick for the wheels. Wasn't that big deal. I've got the piece of pipe with the threaded rod run through the piece of pipe, so most of the weight is held by the pipe. And then how do you hold the pipe in place? It moves a little bit, but for the most part, you can bolt it down with these U-bolts. Not going to move. It doesn't have to have anything keeping it from sliding back and forth. These U-bolts hold it. I've carried tons of heavy loads. All I did is put these U-bolts in here. It was a quick on-the-job fix that, with just a quick run to hardware store, and we're in business, and we got a two-wheel wheelbarrow. So hopefully that'll help somebody. Yes, this works. I've used this. I've moved tons of heavy loads on this, and just bolting these U-bolts in here. You don't have to worry about this thing sliding around. You don't have to fabricate some kind of special something to hold it in place, bushings and spacers. You don't have to worry about all that. It'll hold it in place. And then it's thick enough and strong enough so it won't bend. And you can just use a regular old piece of threaded rod that's nowhere near thick and strong enough to hold them on the pipe. Voila.